Today we are putting 5 grams of powder and 20 grams of cream together. We're using the same skills we used in the powder skills, which is going to be the 10%, and you're going to add and subtract that to get your minimum for the power at 4.5 and your maximum at 5.5. Same thing for the cream. You're going to do that and then get your minimum at 18 grams and you're going to get your maximum at 22. What we're going to start out doing is washing our hands though. All my jewelry is off. After we wash our hands, we are going back over here and putting on our gloves. I did not dry off my hands all the way, so they're a little damp and harder to get on apparently. After we do that, we're going to come clean our materials with some alcohol wipes. If necessary, use more than one. After you do that, we are going to turn on our scale and get it to go to 0. And we are at 0 grams at the moment. First, we're going to do 5 grams of the powder. We are now at, just kidding, I just thought we were, yeah, we are now at, well, my scale is going backwards and forth between 4.9 and 5. So we're just gonna see, there it goes. Once again, we're just going to stick in that range because it is more than 4.5. So now after that, we're gonna clean off our scale once more. Dry that off. And now we're going to put our 20 grams of cream in. And we are at our 20 grams. After this point, we get out our other tools and we slowly start adding them in. So I'm going to slowly start adding some powder into our material. Then I'm going to slowly start adding liquid in as well. And then we're going to start mixing the materials together. At this point, we're adding our last little bit of powdered to our liquid, which I'm going to get our spatula and help get the rest of this liquid out of our container. Now that those two are done, we will continue to mix until we combine the two together. After a certain point, we should have a beautiful mixed in together. After you get your product, what we are going to do now is dispose of it properly, which needed for that will be some dish soap. So back to my sink, we're going to turn on some lukewarm water. We're also just going to dispose of these in the trash. And just scrub properly. It's not lukewarm. And just scrub properly. Just at this point, just dry it off with some paper towels. At this point, we are just swirling it around to get into it. Just making sure all these components are cleared off of it. Just get these clean. And then we'll do the same for this. And I'm just getting the component off in my sink. Then removing my gloves. Putting on a fresh pair of gloves. And then sanitizing everything else. Keep in mind, no jewelry or anything is on my body. And now we're just going to take an alcohol wipe and clean off, once again, all of our materials.